You did the work. You nailed the project. Now comes the hard part. Getting paid. Getting paid in US dollars. From Algeria. This is a huge headache. It's a real problem. You're a freelancer, a creator, a small business owner. Your clients are all over the world. They pay in dollars. But you live in Algeria, and getting those dollars feels impossible. It's like there's a giant wall between you and your hard-earned cash. You see the money sitting there, in an account online. It's yours, but it's not. Not really, not until you can use it. You need those dollars for your business, to buy software, to pay for online services, to invest in gear, or to save them because dollars hold value. So, why all the fuss about US dollars? Why not just get paid in Algerian dinars and call it a day? It's a fair question. The answer is simple. It's about stability and access. The US dollar is a global currency, the language of international business. You buy a subscription to software, or you buy a new camera from an online store, or you run ads on a social media platform. What currency do they ask for? Dollars. Having your earnings in USD means you can pay for these things directly. No conversions, no extra fees, no watching the price change because the exchange rate moved overnight. Your money is your tool. If you're a carpenter, you need a good hammer. If you're a global creator or entrepreneur, you need a stable currency. The dollar is that tool. It holds its value over time and is predictable. This is huge. When you save in a currency that is stable, you protect your future. You're not just saving money, you're preserving the value of your hard work. You can plan for the long term, you can make investments, you can build a safety net for yourself and your family. Without worrying, it will be worth less tomorrow. Getting paid in dollars feels like a direct connection to the global market, a validation of your work. It's empowering. You can't win the game if you don't know the rules. And in Algeria, the rules are changing fast. The most important rule to know right now is instruction number 06-2025. The Bank of Algeria dropped this on August 17th, 2025. This is the playbook for digital money. It sets up the whole system for payment service providers. These are the companies that run digital wallets and online payment services. This is the first real framework for fintech, a starting gun for a new market. But here's the most critical part for you. All services from these PSPs must be in Algerian dinars only. Direct order from the central bank. Most local fintech apps and digital wallets will pay you out in DZD even if the money came in as USD. They must integrate with national payment systems based on the dinar, the government's way to control the currency and modernize. The rules create a tier system for digital wallets. Level 1, up to about $740. Basic ID. Level 2, up to around $3,700. Requirement, official ID. Requirement, proof of your income. Level 3, the boss level. Balances up to $7,400. Tougher checks, even video interviews. Another big rule. Algerians generally can't hold financial assets abroad. For businesses, limits apply. Most companies can only get 50% of their export earnings in foreign currency. The rest must be in dinars. These rules are not suggestions. They are the law. Alright, so you know the rules. Now it's time to choose your path. There is no single best way. The right choice for you depends on your needs, your clients, your comfort with different platforms. Think of these as different roads to the same destination. Your money. Option A. International freelancer platforms. Upwork. Fiverr. Big players. Trusted worldwide. They pay in USD to the platform, which holds it. It's simple and safe. The platform handles client payments. You just do the work. The downside? Getting the money out. Main withdrawal for Algeria is direct deposit to your local bank. It arrives in Algerian dinars. The platform does the conversion. You lose the dollars and pay fees. Great for simplicity, not for holding USD. Option B, remittance services. Wise, Western Union. They move money across borders. Some can deliver USD in Algeria. This is a potential game changer. Check the service's current policy for Algeria. Often fast, better exchange rates than banks. Option C, foreign bank account or e-wallet. Most direct way to get and hold USD. Big catch, law on holding assets abroad. Most freedom, most risk. Section 5. Step 2. Get your paperwork straight. This step is boring. I know, nobody likes paperwork, but if you skip this, you will fail. It's that simple. All these platforms, banks, payment services are required by law to know who you are. It's called KYC, or Know Your Customer. It's not because they are nosy, it's to prevent fraud and illegal activities. So, before you even think about receiving a payment, get your documents in order. Think of it like prepping your gear before you shoot. If your batteries aren't charged, nothing else matters. Your documents are your batteries. First, your core identification. This is non-negotiable. You need a valid, government-issued ID, national identity card, passport. Make sure it's not expired. Take clear, high-quality photos or scans. Front, back. Don't use a blurry photo taken in a dark room. They will reject it. This is your level 1 key. It gets you in the door with almost any service. Have these digital files ready and clearly named. Next, proof of what you do. Work contracts, invoices, official emails confirming the job and amount. For level 2 and 3 access and larger transfers, you need to show where the money is coming from. As you move more money, checks get stricter. Be ready for video interviews, well-lit room, ID in hand, professional. Don't be intimidated. It's a sign you're using a secure system. Okay, let's put it all together. This is the 2026 method. It's not a secret hack. It's a simple process. Logical steps from client owes me money to money is where I need it. Follow these steps in order. Don't skip ahead. Step 1. Talk to your client. Agree on payment currency, USD, and the payment method. Use a clear professional invoice that states all payments in USD. Choose a platform the client already knows and can use. Make it easy for them to pay. Step 2. Make a withdrawal plan. Decide how you'll get the money out before it arrives. USD cash in hand, foreign account, converted to dinars in your local bank. Step 3. Open the right account now. Prepare local bank details if accepting dinars. Verify remittance services if they pay USD. Open and activate foreign accounts if that's your plan. Complete identity checks and upload documents. Get fully verified before money is sent. Step 4. Track and receive. Use platform tools to track the transfer. When funds are available, execute your withdrawal plan. Initiate transfer to local bank, foreign account, or remittance payout. If law requires conversion to dinars on entry, accept it. That's the rule. The money is now yours in the form you planned. Keep a record of the transaction. Plan it. Execute it. Record it. You worked hard for your money. The last thing you want is for it to get eaten up by fees and bad exchange rates. Every time your money moves, someone wants to take a little piece of it. Your job is to protect it. The first enemy is transfer fees. Platforms and banks charge fees for everything, for receiving money, for converting currency, for withdrawing it. Some are a percentage, some are a flat fee. Become a detective, hunt down these fees, read the fine print, use the platform's fee calculator, compare your options. A smart move is to move larger amounts less often. Withdraw $100 weekly with a $5 fee. That's 5%. Do $400 once a month? $5 is 1.25%. It's a huge difference over a year. Let earnings build a bit before you pull them out. Mind any holding limits. The second enemy is the exchange rate. When a platform converts your USD to DZD, they don't use the rate you see on Google. They use their own rate with a markup. 2 to 3% on $1,000 is $20 to $30. Poof. Services like Wise are often more transparent about their rates and fees. Always compare the final amount you will receive in dinars. Best way to avoid exchange loss is to avoid the exchange altogether. Control when and if it gets converted, or spend directly in USD. This is the most important section. Read it twice. Getting your money is great. Getting your money and staying out of trouble is everything. The rules in Algeria are clear on some things and less clear on others, but your goal is to always act in good faith. The number one rule is, be transparent. Do not try to hide money. Do not use shady informal channels to move funds just to avoid a fee. Using unlicensed operators is incredibly risky. You could lose all your money. You could face serious legal consequences. Always use licensed and regulated services. Look for the stamp of approval. International platforms and remittance companies are regulated and compliant. These companies have processes to comply with the law. By using them, you are protecting yourself. They will require ID and documentation. That's a good thing. Remember the rule about holding financial assets abroad. If you consider a foreign account, do your homework. Consult a local lawyer or advisor specializing in Algerian monetary law. The cost of a consultation is tiny compared to a legal mistake. It's an investment in your peace of mind. Finally, keep records of everything. Invoices, payment confirmations, withdrawal receipts, contracts. organized. This isn't about being scared. It's about being professional. It's about building a sustainable business or career. Play it safe. Be smart. Be transparent. So, we've covered a lot. The problem, the rules, the different paths. Playing it safe. It can feel like a lot to take in. You don't have to solve everything today. The 2026 method is about taking clear, manageable steps. Getting paid in US dollars from Algeria is achievable. You need a plan and the courage to take the first step. Know the rules set by the Bank of Algeria. Use trusted, licensed platforms. Prepare your documents and be ready for verification. Your path depends on your needs. If you want simplicity, use a major freelance platform and accept the dinar payout. If your goal is saving in dollars, a foreign account might be your answer. Need speed and cost-effectiveness? Explore modern remittance services. There is no magic bullet. Protect your earnings. Watch fees and bad exchange rates. Move money strategically. And most importantly, stay legal. Never use unlicensed services. Keep clean records. Organization and transparency are your best defense. Here's your call to action, your one next step. Don't just close this page and go back to being frustrated. Take one small, concrete action today. Pick up the phone and call your local bank. Or visit a licensed PSP's website. Ask, what are my options for receiving an international payment in US dollars? Listen, note it. Start there. Take that first step.